Everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I wanted to do a review on Annie's Hook and Needle Club color block basket. If you watched my channel before, I like to make baskets. I use them all around my home. So they sent me this sampler kit, and I am really excited because, like I said, I love baskets. So, and it's a new pattern for me. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. In this pack, we get 2 Annie's Hook and Needle Club yarns. They're 4 medium weight, 75% acrylic, 25% polyester. There's 3.5 ounces or 157 yards. You're going to hear the kids in the back. I'm sorry. They're just... If you're new here, I watch children during the day. I also have the YouTube channel. I have Etsy shop. Links in the description below. I also have a 2-month-old little boy that is sitting behind me, so you'll probably hear some baby noises as well as other kid noises. So the older ones are playing, so you're going to hear them every now and again. Oop, we got that already. So this is cool machine wash, tumble dry on low heat. Do not iron, do not bleach. So it's nice, shiny gray. It reminds me of Caron Simply Soft. We also got 2 smaller skeins of white, medium 4 weight, 1.25 ounces, 57 yards. This one's 100% acrylic. This is also cool machine wash, gentle cycle, and tumble dry low heat. This one's also nice and shiny. And then we have this kind of taupey color. See it compared to the gray. This is medium 4 weight, 75% acrylic, 25% polyester, 1.25 ounces, or 57 yards. So we get 2 of each of the colors. So, and then here is the pamphlet with the instructions in it. So for this project, we're using, sorry, I'm trying to read it without showing you the pattern. I would love to, but it's not mine. Okay, so you're holding 2 strands together throughout the project. It says a K or 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. So let me get my 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'll be right back. So I'm going to work some of the pattern up, just the very beginning, to let you know how the pattern, or how the yarn works up. Found my K-hook finally. I have a pink metal one around here somewhere, but couldn't find that one, so that's okay. So it works with 2 strands. This stuff is really soft. I wonder how well it's going to hold up for a basket. So I would tell you about what is going on with the pattern just now, but all I'm trying to do is work some up. So like I said, it's not my pattern, so I'm not gonna disclose that. You hear the baby noises, and Big Brother's playing with his little brother right now, right behind me, which is very sweet. He's a good big brother. Alright, so far so good. It's kind of slippery with this plastic hook, but it's not the worst that it could be. Okay, and then they're not having us join, which is good. So far so good. I like it. It's not bad at all. It's not splitting on the hook or anything like that. So let me go ahead and work up this basket, and I'll let you know how I feel about the pattern in general and the instructions that they have. So we'll see you guys in a moment. Okay, so I worked up the basket. So the pattern only calls for a certain number of rows of the gray, the taupe, and the off-white here, but I used it up to the point where I used up all the yarn. So I actually have 5 extra rows of the gray, about 3 extra rows of the taupe, and 3 extra rows of the cream or the off-white. Just because it's with this kind of yarn, it makes it kind of floppy, which is just fine. But I only wanted 1 handle instead of 2, so I could hang this on my wall and it be open there. And this will actually be my my littlest one's kind of dirty laundry basket. So, because he's got tiny clothes and he doesn't wear that much clothing very often. So that'll hang on the wall next to his little changing area, and so I can keep his laundry in there. But I like it. It's actually pretty tough. It is floppy, which in a stand-up basket, of course, you don't want, but it's pretty nice. And then I did fold over the brim. It makes it a little sturdier. So, but Annie's right now, So if you use my affiliate code for Annie's, it's down below in the description box. They have a Black Friday sale of going to 75% off your first month. Definitely check out that affiliate link down below, and if you want to try these boxes, 75% off is great. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I did work on this thing a little bit off camera. It's just a nice project to sit on the couch and do, because it's all the same stitch all the way through. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, so this is my boys' room here. That's the laundry basket for big brother, the laundry basket for little brother. This is that basket I just made from Annie's that I only put one handle in, and it worked kind of nicely just hanging there. And then see, I have some baskets over here, and then behind my little chair here I actually have a basket that has the projects for when I'm rocking him, that I can just pull it up front and start working on it. Yeah, their room's really small, so and then thought I had more baskets in here, but I guess not. So those are just some of the uses that I have. This one's like bath stuff, extra bath stuff that I just can't keep under the cabinet. And then this one's bibs. It has my spare glasses on it at the moment. His jacket that my grandma made him. Maybe some mittens that he can't even use anymore. And some socks and things like that. Just little stuff for him that I don't have drawer space for. So yeah, the baskets come in handy.